Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to rename a page in Hostinger website builder. First, I will show you how to rename the page name in this navigation area. Also, how to name a page using this big title here. Also, how to rename the page name that shows up in this web browser tab here, and also the page URL here. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, log into your Hostinger account by going to hpanel.hostinger.com. Then go to the websites page. Usually it starts, your account will be logged on this page. Then jump to the websites page where you can see the available websites under your account. And this website called or address is test. So I need to click on this edit website button next to this website. Okay, this is my website in the website editor. So okay, to rename this page, first go to pages, and this is the contact page that I want to rename. So click on these three dots and select rename. Here, as you see, the first thing is that the page URL right now is contact, and the name in the navigation here is contact. When you change the name in navigation, for example, I will rename it from contact to contact us. Here by default, the page URL also or automatically changes. So here, you know, if you or if yes, if you don't like editing your page URL, make sure before editing the name in the navigation, copy this page URL like that. Then rename your page name in navigation like that, and then return to the original page URL. Okay, this is the first thing. When you click on save, then close, your page will be renamed automatically here, but you still need to click on this update website button to publish this new page name. Now let's view my website live. And just like that, my contact page is now named to contact us. But the page URL is the same thing. Let's see how to rename a page URL or address. Same thing, click on pages, contact three dots, rename, and rename your page URL or address here. And always, as always, don't forget to update your website. Now let's see how to rename the page title if there is a title here. So click on the page from here or from this navigation menu. It's the same thing. Now let's say that this text element was placed here and it was called, for example, contact. Here simply add contact us, click on update website, page or website updated. Let's view it live, contact us, and this is the page title. Another design that you can give to this page title, let's say that, for example, this section was using this color here to yes, and also this header was using this color, for example, or let's go with or the same title. Now to give okay, now click or add a new section that is blank, resize it from here, and place your page title here and update your website. View site live, contact, and this is the page title with this on this white blank short section. Now let's see how to edit the page name that shows up in this Google Chrome or web browser tab. Simply go to pages, click on contact us, click on page you oh, yes, go to SEO settings, And from here, I am looking, yes, this is it. This is the SEO title. This SEO title is what shows up here. So for example, let's call it contact us dash tutorial update. Now close. Let's see, there is no save button, so close this window, update your website. I think will be, if your website is updated automatically, this is good. If it is not the case, click on this update button. My website is updated. Now, instead of visiting the website directly, let's simply refresh this page, and here this contact NYC pizza for fresh New York pizza should be contact us dash update. So let's refresh, and just like that, the page URL, or my bad, the page title here is changed. And this is how to rename a page in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.